The Rhodes are a Finno-Ugric people who lived on the territory of Ingria. It is believed that the Rhodes people resettled there at the end of the first millennium AD. Some scientists think their ancestors settled in the area between the 1st and 3rd centuries. The people were first mentioned in the Novgorod Chronicle in 1069. In the 13th century, the land of the Rhodes became part of the Novgorod Republic, which led to the adoption of orthodoxy and gradual assimilation. At the beginning of the 17th century, the Swedes conquered the lands of the Rhodes, and the southern coast of the Gulf of Finland became known as Ingria. Only 100 years later, Peter I managed to regain the territory during the Great Northern War, and the Rhodes were settled within the Ingria Governorate.